Hello and assalamu alaikum to everyone who is watching Scent Explorer and supporting me from last few years. Today I have another scent which is amber based scent, Amber Al Faransi from Maison Anthony Marmin. This is the sample set I have got. So I really enjoyed exploring. I think 3 or 4 are one of my favorites, but let's explore this one, how it actually evolves. I really enjoy and love ambergris note, and if it's a real ambergris, it is really lovely with oud oils, rose and other oils. So let's try to apply this on my right wrist over here. So it's Amber Al Faransi. So let's test this out. Ooh. Syrupy, fresh, airy, sweet, saffron is there. Yes, really lovely saffron note, sweetness. Sandalwood is there, I think. Amber, maybe a little bit of amber. I'm getting a soapy note, which I really don't like over here. It says honey and saffron. I think that is what it had as, in the start it was very kind of sparkly, kind of sweet, syrupy note that was from honey and saffron, I think. A nice attar, but the only thing that is putting me off is its kind of soapy note. I really hate attars or perfumes that has soapiness, or they smell like a shampoo or soap. Yes, there is some soapiness around here. So I am getting most of it is maybe vetiver, sandalwood oil. Vetiver's kind of green, fresh note, but Indian vetiver, it says it is there. Sandalwood. It says night blooming jasmine. I'm not getting any jasmine over here. Although I was looking forward that I would love how lemon and oriental spices and all that is going to mix together. Now it is getting a little bit better. Yes, there is something like some spices, but there is still some soapy note. So now I would describe it, spiciness is there, soapiness like 40-50% soapiness, saffron is there, honey is there, very lovely combination of honey and saffron, sandalwood is there, amber I'm not sure about. Now the soapiness is getting a bit low. So I think overall it's an average attar oil. I would not rate it among the highest rated. Syrupy, sweet, saffron, honey, sandalwood. There is some soapiness in the background. I'm not sure about lemon. Spiciness is there. That is all. So now I would rate it from performance view and from scent profile, uniqueness and how good it is. From scent profile, I would give it like 6 out of 10. Not very unique, syrupy kind of, soapy syrupy kind of things are there. Yes, soapiness is there. And now about performance, I think it would perform good. So I'm going to give it like 7 out of 10. I'm not sure because people, they say, my viewers, you normally ask me that I should wear it for a day. It is impossible for me to wear it for a day or two because if I don't like something, it is going to start a headache or maybe headache in people around me, my wife or my kids. So I don't wear oils that most of the people around me or me myself don't like. So if I have to wear something which I really enjoy and others don't, I normally put it at the night when I'm sleeping alone. So this is my rating. So 6 out of 10 for scent profile, and performance, I think it would be good performer. So I would give it like 8 out of 10 for performance. Yes, I think this is my idea. I think it is going to perform well. So this is my review about Amber Al Faransi. This is an average attar oil from my perspective. Maybe you might love it or like it. So make sure you order the sample kit before you order the bottle. So that is my review about Amber Al Faransi. I hope you have enjoyed it. I think Al Faransi really need to improve these boxes. Oops, very difficult to put it back and sometimes open it. So I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.